Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, good morning. No one is saying anything. Everyone is busy. Good morning. Yeah. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Yeah. So, everyone Manchi at home? Yeah, okay, very good. I am also Manchi, directly proportional. If students are Manchi, of course, teacher will be also Manchi. So directly proportional. Relation between student and teacher is directly proportional. If students are sad, teacher is also sad. If students are Manchi, teacher is also Manchi. Yeah, okay, very good. So what's going at home, chilling or studying? Kya ho raha hai ghar pe? Directly proportional. Yeah, Sidhu, correct. Yeah. So what's going at home, chilling or studying? Studying, sir. Or if we are chilling, sir, then we are chilling with studying. Yeah. Sir, for us, study is also a type of chilling. We never consider study as a burden, sir. We always consider study as a type of chilling only. Yeah. So if you are chilling, sir, then we are chilling with studying. Otherwise, we are studying, sir. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Huh. Okay, Sajana, you have my number. You can ask me, you can message me. I will ask them to put in the group. Yeah, okay. No chilling, sir. Only study. Yeah, studying is also chilling for you, Gagandeep. Don't worry. Yeah, you are saying studying, that means also chilling only. Yeah, okay. No problem. Yeah, huh. So, shall we start with the class? I think answer key also came, na? NEET key also came. No problem, sir. This year we are not very much interested, sir. In the key, we are not very much interested this year. Okay, no problem. Next year we will see. Next year, all the revenge. Everyone revenge. There is one dialogue in Hindi. बाप का, दादा का, माँ का, भाई का, सबका बदला लेगा फैजल. Do you know that dialogue? Huh? So everyone revenge you will take. So last year, this year, before that year, class 10th, all the revenge we will take in NEET 2023. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah. You don't know that is one Hindi movie dialogue. Yeah, okay. Offline study is better. Offline study, I always say, yeah, your V-Day. Yeah, of course it will be your V-Day. Yeah, okay, no problem. Kiran, 450 marks is a good marks, not a bad marks. Just has to improve 150 marks. If you improve 150 marks, you will get more than 600. That is good for getting a good college. Yeah, okay, no problem. And weekend weekend syllabus will be put in YouTube channel. Their weekend syllabus will be put, and in weekend syllabus we have product of vector, dot product, cross product in my track. And we also have starting of distance and displacement, velocity and average velocity, which will complete today. Okay, no problem. So shall we start with the class? Shuru kare kya? Shall we start with the class? Yeah, Gandip, you'll rock. Don't worry. Keep on doing hard work. Yeah. So I think in last class we were talking about projection or component of A vector along B vector. Like that we were talking about now. Yeah, so if anyone asks you, and this is very important because this concept is given in NCERT. You have NCERT, open the first page of chapter work, power, energy. They are telling you how to find projection of force on displacement. Means projection of one vector on another vector. So I told you, if anyone asks you find the projection of A vector along B vector, then result will be, can you tell me the formula? Projection of A vector along B vector. Projection of A vector along B vector. See from the notes and tell. Acha, tough to type. Okay, Khaja, yeah. So I think everyone knows projection of A vector along B vector will come A dot B divided by magnitude of B. This is what I told now. This is told now already. A dot B divided by magnitude of B. Means always you have to, whenever projection is asked, always you have to do the dot product. Then you have to divide by the magnitude of the vector. Can you tell me whose magnitude you will divide? Whose magnitude you will divide? A dot B will be always there. In numerator, A dot B will be always there. Then you have to divide by the magnitude. Whose magnitude? Magnitude of the vector along which you are finding projection. Because in the NEET, A vector, B vector will not be given. There you cannot say this is A vector, this is B vector. No, you have to divide by the magnitude of vector along which you are finding the projection. For example, I will give you one question. You try to find out. You write, find the projection of 3i cap plus 4j cap. Find the projection of 3i cap plus 4j cap along I cap plus j cap. Find the projection of 3i cap plus 4j cap along I cap plus j cap. So first find, Trishal, very good. Trishal has got the answer, very good. You already know projection is asked, so we have to do the dot product. Then we have to divide that dot product with the magnitude of vector along which we are finding the projection. Khaja correct, Lisha correct, Shamita root you have forget to mention, 22 3000 correct. I think everyone will get very easy, very easy. This is what I was saying you. You cannot find A and B vector. This is how question will come. I will simply say, okay, no problem. Those who are having any problem, see for the last time. Aditya, very good. Yeah. Surya, very good. Yeah. I will simply say, sir, you want projection of A vector along B vector. You want projection of 3i cap plus 4j cap along I cap plus j cap. So one thing is sure, sir, we are going to do the dot product. So we'll simply say, sir, A dot B. Whenever projection is asked, sir, in the numerator, we always have to do the dot product. So we'll do the dot product. Dot product will give you 3 into 1, 3, 4 into 1, 4. So 3 plus 4, 7. Divided by magnitude. You tell me whose magnitude I should divide? 3i cap plus 4j cap magnitude or I cap plus j cap magnitude? Whose magnitude you will divide? Yeah, this magnitude, because along this they are asking you. Along this means divided by its magnitude. And its magnitude you know. Here also 1, here also 1. So under root of 1 square plus 1 square. So answer will come 7 by root 2. 7 by root 2. Yeah, okay, very good. For example, same question you tell me. If anyone asks you, find the projection of I cap plus j cap along 3i cap plus 4j cap. Can you tell me what will be projection now? Numerator will be again same, because in numerator anyhow you have to do the dot product. A dot B do or B dot A, same answer will come. So here if you do the dot product, again dot product will come 7 divided by whose magnitude? Along 3i cap plus 4j cap we are finding now. So divided by magnitude of this, and magnitude of this will come under root of 3 square plus 4 square. That is your 5. So 7 by 5. Samjhe ke everyone understood? Everyone understood? Bolo, bolo, bolo. How to find projection of A vector along B vector? Yeah, okay, no problem. Simple. Sir, if two vectors are given, whenever projection is asked, first thing what we will do? Come on, you will tell. If projection of A vector along B vector is asked, what is the first step that you will do? What is the first step that you will do? Dot product. Sir, first we'll do the dot product in numerator. Then we will divide the dot product. By whose magnitude? Because two vectors are there, you may be confused. Whose magnitude I have to divide? By whose magnitude you will divide? Come on, tell me. Along which it is asked. You'll divide by its magnitude. Yeah. If it is asked along B, divide by magnitude of B. If it is asked along A, divide by magnitude of A. Done. Bolo, bolo. Everyone got the idea. Everyone got 100% idea. Bolo. Now, up to this, it is given in NCERT. Up to this, NCERT has given, okay, how to find projection of one vector along other vector. But, but here what happened? One more question can be asked. So be careful. Just see here one more thing I will tell you. Yeah, Gayatri is saying that. Yeah, okay. This is the value of projection. Sometimes they also ask find the component vector, or sometimes they will ask you find the projection vector. Yeah, so this is simply value of projection. Sometimes they can ask you find the projection vector. This is the magnitude of projection. They can ask you find the projection vector, or in option they will give you, and in option they will give you option in the terms of vector. There, how to convert this projection into a vector quantity? Just see here. Yeah, just see. And technique is very simple. You tell me right now this is the value of projection now. If you want, this is the magnitude of projection. If you want to convert this projection into vector, you have to multiply it with the direction. Direction means unit vector. So 7 by root 2, just see how I will convert. Then only you'll get the idea. So this is the value of this, the magnitude of projection. So you want to convert this projection into vector. That means you have to multiply this value of projection with direction. Direction means you have to multiply with unit vector. You tell me whose unit vector I should multiply? 3i cap plus 4j cap or I cap or plus j cap? Whose unit vector? Because it is already, its direction is known na baba, along. See, along I cap plus j cap, already its direction is there. Already along means in the direction of I cap plus j cap. So if anyone wants to convert this projection to vector, he has to multiply this projection with unit vector of I cap plus j cap. That is I cap plus j cap by root 2. So in vector form your projection will come. 7, this root 2 into root 2 will give you 2. So 7 by 2 I cap plus j cap. कुछ समझे क्या? हाँ, बोलो कुछ समझे क्या? Similarly, same thing is here. This is the value of project. This is what given in NCERT, up to this only. In NCERT, up to this only given. But I have seen questions in the books where they will ask you to convert this projection into vector. You'll simply say, sir, this is the value of projection. If you want to convert this projection to vector, na sir, you have to give it direction. Direction is already given. Along 3i cap plus 4j cap, its direction is already given. So you have to multiply with the direction. Direction means unit vector. Whose unit vector here? So 3i cap plus 4j cap. So what is its unit vector? 3i cap plus 4j cap by its magnitude 5. So projection vector will become 7 by 25 here, 3i cap plus 4j cap. Chamka, everyone understood? Bolo. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is how you can convert projection into, this will not be asked in your NEET. In NEET, they will ask you value of projection. That is what is given, you know already, everything is getting asked from NCERT only. So they will ask you value of projection for extra information I told you. For example, I will give you a last question where I will ask you to find projection vector. You try to find out. Yeah, you write. Find the projection vector of 3i cap plus 4j cap along, find projection vector of 3i cap plus 4j cap along 5i cap plus 12j cap. Find projection vector of 3i cap plus 4j cap along 5i cap plus 12j cap. So first find value of projection. (63 by 13) Rohita, this is value of projection. I'm asking you projection vector. You have to convert this projection into vector quantity. For converting into vector quantity, you have to multiply with the direction. Direction already given along 5i cap plus 12j cap. That means you have to multiply with unit vector of 5i cap plus 12j cap. Priyanka, 100% correct. Very good, Priyanka. Kiran, very good. Shamita, very good. I think everyone will get. Sir, what's so big deal, sir? What's so big deal? We can find, sir. We can find. Yeah. Now Rohita, correct. Very good. I will simply say, sir, you want projection vector. So first I will find projection. And for projection, we know, sir, we have to do the dot product. First we'll do the dot product. Dot product is coming 63. Divided by magnitude along which you are finding. Magnitude along which you are finding, this magnitude will be 13. So this is value of projection. In NCERT, as per NCERT, this is the question. Trishal, very good. Kiran, very good. Jyotika, very good. As per NCERT, this is the answer. But in option, many times they will not give you in the terms of value. They will ask you to convert this into virtually, very good. They will ask you to convert into direction. So this is the value of projection. They are asking you projection vector. So you have to convert into vector. In order to convert into vector, you have to multiply with direction. Whose direction you will multiply? Already it is given along this. Means this is the direction. Direction means unit vector. Unit vector of 5i cap plus 12j cap by its magnitude 13. So answer will become 63 by 169, 5I cap plus 12J cap. Bolo, 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 bolo. Done, 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 done. Everyone understood how to find projection and how to convert projection into vector. Final I'm asking, because we are finishing out dot product. We are going to move further. आगे बढ़ने वाले हैं. Yeah, okay, it's easy. Sir, A dot B divided by magnitude of B will give us value of projection. If you want to convert that projection into vector, sir, you have to multiply with the direction. For multiplying with the direction means you have to multiply with unit vector. Whose unit vector, sir? Whose unit vector? So already given along this, so we'll multiply with unit vector of that vector. Is it okay? Done? Final? One more question. We don't have that much time. Three questions we did. A. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Questions, what's question? Simple, very simple concept. We'll move further. Is it okay? आगे बढ़े? Now we will move towards your favorite part. One more type of product of vector is left. What is that type of product? What is that type of product? Cross product, vector product. Which is more easy, dot product or cross product? Let me see how you have studied. How much? Dot product is much more easier than cross product. Slightly, not tough. Process you have to understand. You can write vector product. Vector product. We are going to start with our next type of product of vector. That is vector product. In bracket, you can write CP. In bracket, you can write CP, cross product. And be alert, understand the meaning, understand the definition, and then how to use it. What are the different uses of cross product? I will tell. So be 100% focused, then only you'll be able to understand this cross product. You also know, your long-term people, you know already that it's slightly tricky to do with the cross product. And in every chapter it will be used, especially in your rotational, especially in magnetism, this cross product is going to be used. So be focused, bring understanding. Be focused, bring understanding, you'll be able to understand. Yeah. Acha, can you tell me what is the basic difference between dot product and cross product? What basic difference will be created here? There also we did A dot B, here also we'll do A cross B. What is the basic difference created? There, when you did A dot B, now only scalar value came. 3 by 2, 63, 25, 89. Here what will happen? Vector quantity will come. Result, this is a basic difference. In dot product, your result was a number. It was a scalar. But in cross product, you will get a vector quantity. And it is slightly complicated to deal with vector. That's why this cross product becomes little tough. So see here how it will be defined. Just here. See the definition of cross product. Okay, no problem. Now just here, yeah. Someone gave me two vectors. Someone gave me A vector and B vector. And he asked me, do their cross product. So I'll simply say, okay. If you want A vector, B vector, you want me to do cross product, you want me to do vector product. So this is how we represent cross product. And we will say A cross B. Now when you do A cross B, now you will get a vector quantity C. This is the difference. Previously, A dot B was AB cos theta directly. Nowhere on the right side vector was appearing. But now what will happen? If you do A cross B, that will give you C vector. Not AB sin theta. AB sin theta is wrong. AB sin theta is the magnitude, which we'll talk slowly. Yeah. So when you do A cross B, you'll get a C vector. Now this C vector will have two parts. You know, every vector will have two parts. One will be its magnitude and one will be its direction. This is what happens. A cross B will give you C vector. Now C vector, you know, every vector will have two parts, magnitude and direction. So magnitude of cross product. That means magnitude of cross product means A cross B magnitude. This value will be coming as AB sin theta. This is the value. Always remember, A cross B is not AB sin theta. Na. A cross B is a vector. Na. A cross B magnitude is AB sin theta. Magnitude of A cross B. If you have A vector, B vector, and if you do the cross product, the magnitude obtained will be AB sine theta. This is what I have written. If you do A cross B, you'll get the C vector. C vector, every vector will have two parts. This is the basic definition. This is the basic definition of cross product. That result will be vector. So every vector will have two parts. It will have magnitude, it will have direction. So magnitude of cross product will be AB sine theta. And can you guess what will be the C cap? What will be its direction? The C cap is unit vector. What will be its direction? C cap will be unit vector. What will be its direction? What will be its direction? What will be its direction? What will be the direction of this C vector? That is your C cap. Perpendicular. Yeah. C cap. Direction of C cap. Yeah. C cap is unit vector. And this unit vector will be perpendicular to plane of A and B. Plane of A and B. Or you can say perpendicular to plane means perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. This is how we define cross product. You cannot ask me why. This is the definition. This is the definition. This is how we have discovered the cross product. We wanted something which will give result perpendicular to the plane, and that result, that process is our cross product. Or if you want, you can substitute here. So this will appear to you like this. C magnitude you already know, AB sine theta into C cap. First you can write this. Once you complete writing, you can say done, sir. And I know once I will say you can say done, sir, you will start saying done, sir. Okay. Yeah. Sir, we are very energetic, sir. We write very fast. Yeah, okay, no problem. What's so big deal, sir? Yeah. Okay. Now be careful. Again, I'm coming back to the basic. Yeah. Then we will learn how to do. Yeah. Okay. How to do cross product. First thing you tell me, when you do the cross product of two vector, what will be obtained? Will you obtain a scalar quantity or vector quantity? Come on, tell me the answer. Sir, we will obtain a vector. That is the meaning of vector product. That is the meaning of cross product. Achha, every vector will have magnitude and direction. Can you tell me what is the magnitude of A cross B? What is the magnitude of A cross B? What is the magnitude of A cross B? AB sine theta. Sir, A cross B is not AB sine theta. Never do like that, sir. A cross B is AB sine. That is completely wrong. A cross B magnitude is AB sine theta. Can you tell me what is direction of A cross B? What is direction of A cross B? What is the direction of A cross B? After doing cross product, we'll obtain a vector. Now, what will be direction of that vector? What will be direction of that vector? Perpendicular to plane of A and B. So perpendicular to both A and B. If A and B are lying on the board, cross product will come perpendicular to the board. It may come outward, it may come inward. Yeah, both possibilities are there. Both possibilities are depending which you are taking first, which you are taking as second. Everyone got up to this? Up to this, is it okay? Up to this, is it okay? Yeah, okay, no problem. Slowly we'll move. Yeah. So, sir, A cross B magnitude will be AB sine theta. Sir, after doing cross product, we'll obtain a vector. Direction of that vector will be perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. Now, some questions are asked. For example, I will check how much you remember. Yeah, okay, yeah, you can say like that, no problem. For example, I will see how much you understand. For example, if I say A cross B is C vector, and if I ask you what is A dot C, can you tell me what is what is B dot C? Can you tell me what is A dot C and what is B dot C? Once you wrote A cross B equal to C, now that means C is perpendicular on A vector also, and this is the definition of cross product. Once you write A cross B equal to C, that means C is perpendicular on A vector also, and C is perpendicular on B vector also. And you know dot product of two perpendicular vector is going to be 0. So this will also come 0. This will also come 0. And if you add them, after adding you can take C common. If you add them and take C common, so this will become A vector plus B vector dot C vector. This will be also 0. Or you can say from here, or you can write this also as A vector plus B vector dot C. And what was your C? C was A cross B. This will be also 0. All these will be 0. बोलो बोलो बोलो. Everyone is getting idea. कुछ समझ में आ रहा है क्या? You have seen all these things. People struggle. So always remember, this is, you may be taking it lightly. This previous year NEET question where they said if torque equal to R cross F. This previous year NEET question. JEE means also last year this question came. They said if torque equal to R cross F, they asked what is torque dot R and what is torque dot F. Can you tell me how much it will come? How much it will come? Zero, because torque is coming by the help of cross product. Now, so anything obtained with the help of cross product will be perpendicular on both of them, not only R, not only F. Torque will be perpendicular on R also, torque will be perpendicular on F also, because in the beginning you have written torque is perpendicular to the plane. Perpendicular to plane means both vector. Plane means two vectors. So perpendicular to plane means perpendicular to both vectors. So that's why this will also come zero, this will also come zero. बोलो बोलो बोलो, बात समझ में आ रहा है? Everyone is getting the idea. Everyone is getting the idea. हाँ, अरे बोल दो. Yeah. So again, I'm again coming back. Yeah. So always remember, when you do A cross B, magnitude of A cross B will come AB sin theta. So direction of A cross B will come perpendicular to both the vector. That means if you do dot product with both of the vector, dot product will come zero, sir. This is the first thing. Second thing, it will perpendicular to their plane. That means perpendicular, it will be perpendicular to A plus B also. Perpendicular plane means A plus B only. So A perpendicular to A plus B also. So this is how we are talking about. This is how we are talking about. Now we'll move slowly further. Yeah. Is it okay? You tell me what will be this value. Enta. All will be zero. This is the same thing. This is the same thing which you have written here. This is the same thing, because C is actually A cross B. Actually, C is what? A cross B. So I've just substituted there. So it is appearing like this. This will also zero. This will also zero. Keep on writing all these things. Once you complete, you can say done, sir. And before moving further, I just want to feel that you understood. So I will ask, what is the magnitude of A cross B? What is magnitude of A cross B? What is magnitude of A cross B? What is magnitude of A cross B? AB sin theta. Magnitude of A cross B will be AB sin theta. AB sin theta. Acha, what will be if A cross B is C? Then C dot A will be, C dot A will be, C dot A will be 0. C dot B will be, C dot B will be 0. C dot A plus B will be 0. Yeah, all these will be 0. All these will be 0. Okay, okay, no problem. No problem. No problem. No problem. Yeah, okay, okay, no problem. Now we'll move further. Which will tell us how to find the cross product. If two vectors are given, you already know. In physics, our vectors will come in the terms of I cap, J cap, and K cap. So there, how to find the cross product. So be careful. Be careful. This is the place where students find difficulty, and this is what will be used in different chapters. So be careful. Just here. Okay, no problem. No problem. Just here. Yeah. Okay. Huh. So first thing, can you tell me the way we started in dot product? What will be I cross I? What will be I cross I? What will be J cross J? And what will be K cross K? All will be 0. Arey Baba, all will be not 0 here. Here you have to write 0 vector. Arey, when you find I cross I, you will write I magnitude into sine theta. Now what is theta? What is angle between I and I? There cos theta was there. Cos 0 was 1. Here sine 0. Here theta is again 0. What is sine 0? This will be 0. Into direction. Direction, you can assume any direction. You can assume, for example, n cap I am assuming. I am assuming any direction as n cap. So due to theta 0, magnitude of your I cross I will come 0. That's why you will be getting a vector with 0 magnitude is known as 0 vector, null vector. Are you getting the idea? You tell me J cross J will give you how much? J cross J will give you how much? J cross J means angle between them is 0 degree. Here sine theta is there. So sine 0 is enta 0. So that's why here you cannot write 0 because it's a vector product. That's why we write 0 vector. That's why we write 0 vector. And that's why we finally write I cross I magnitude equal to J cross J magnitude equal to K cross K magnitude, and this will be equal to 0. Is it okay? Because in all this situation, your theta is 0 degree and sine 0 is 0. Bolo, 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 bolo. Is it okay? Samjhe kya? Everyone understood till now? Huh? Their dot product cos theta was there. That why cos 0 was 1. That's why I dot I gave you 1. But here I cross I theta is again 0 only. But here sine theta is there now. Sine 0 is 0. That's why it will give you dot product 0. That's why it will give you magnitude 0. I think everyone got the idea. Everyone got the idea. And now we will move towards next part. Now so tell me what is the magnitude of I cross I or J cross J or K cross K? What is the magnitude of I cross I or J cross J or K cross K? Come on, at the magnitude. Sir, all will be null vector. All will be 0, sir. Magnitude will be 0. If anyone asks you which vector, null vector. It will be a null vector. Achha, tell me why it is coming 0? Why magnitude of I cross I is coming 0? Because theta is 0, sir, and sine 0 is 0. Sine 0, yeah, you understood. No problem. You understood. You got the idea. You got the idea. No problem. No problem. Yeah, okay. Let's move further. But now, achha, tell me, if I do I cross J, then also will it come 0? If I do I cross J, then also will it come 0? No, because when you do I cross J, theta will be 90. Now it will not come. Why it was coming 0? Because theta was 0 there. Now if you will be doing I cross J, angle will be 90, and sine 90 is not 0. Sine 90 is 1. So that's why what happened. One sequence you have to keep in your mind. That is, if you have I cross J, this will give you K. J cross K will give you I, and K cross I will give you J. And in order to remember, maybe it is tough to remember, people remember like this. They make a watch I, J and K. If you do like this, you have to get positive value. You can see, I cross J will be K, clock method. You can say it as a clock method. This is one way you remember it. But what will happen if you remember in the exam, you may get confused. I cross J was K or J cross K was I. So you'll get confused. So that's why people draw. Whenever it is required, use this clock method. This clock method is saying I cross J will give you K. J cross K will give you I. K cross I will give you J. Are you getting the idea? Bolo. Clock method ko samajh mein aa raha hai kya? And in the direction of clock, you have to take positive. Acha, if reverse anyone asks you, here I am having I cross J is K. Acha, if anyone asks me, what is J cross I? Then minus K, because direction will be reversed. This is the meaning of vector product. In dot product, no problem. A dot B will be same as B dot A. But in vector product, A cross B will be not as B cross A. It will be reverse of it. Are you getting my point? So always remember, if you do J cross I, that will give you minus K. Always remember, A dot B is same as B dot A. But A cross B is not same as B cross A. A cross B is minus of B cross A. Because these two will be inclined opposite to each other. Angle between A cross B and B cross A will be 180 degree. You can see negative means 180 degree. Bolo. You can see this is the method I'm using. Watch method, clock method. This is the watch I have. Here I is there. You can see also. You can see here I there. That's why I wear such watch, so that I can show in the class. You see, I is here now. Are you able to see in the camera? What is here I? Written I now. Here what is written J? You can see. Here what is written K. So I cross j k, j cross k I, k cross I j. If you do reverse of the clock, you will get negative value. Are you seeing it? दिख रहा है क्या? Is it appearing? Huh? Nayak is saying yes, sir. It's not written there, Baba. Nayak got in pressure. Yeah. Sometimes if you ask in so much, are you understanding? Teacher asks, are you understanding? Why you are not understanding? Students say, yes, sir, understanding. Sometimes this happens. Nayak said, yes, sir, appearing. Nothing is written like that, Nayak. Kya kar raha tu? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Nayak is saying, yes, sir, I know, sir. I was just, okay. Oh, Nayak, okay. So everyone understood this? Everyone understood this? I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. See all this thing I will ask. See all these things. If you feel problem anywhere, you have to take help of clock method. Otherwise, I will tell you other way also. Nothing happened. Sometime Iron Man also gets cough. Drishti happened. Drishti. No problem. Yeah. आगे बढ़े क्या? आगे बढ़े? Before moving further, you tell me, okay, I cross j will be, come on, fast. I cross j equal to k. J cross k equal to j cross k equal to j cross k equal to I. K cross I equal to k cross I equal to k cross I equal to j. Acha, if you do reverse, for example, I cross j is k. Now, if I do j cross I, then minus, yeah, then minus will come. Yeah, okay. That is the only thing. Remaining thing you learn with time also. Acha, tell me, in dot product, A dot B was same as B dot A. Does in cross product also A cross B will be same as B cross A? No, sir. Both will be reverse. Both vectors will get reverse if you do like that. So what will be angle between A cross B and B cross A? What will be angle between A cross B and B cross A? 180 degree. One will come inward, other will come outward. So they will come at an angle of 180 degrees. So this is how we are talking about. Yeah, okay, no problem. Now we'll move further. Okay. Sir, this is about I cross I, J cross J. You did this thing. But sir, in our physics, when two vectors will come for cross product now, there in all vectors, I cap, J cap, K cap will be there. There how to do. For example, someone says, sir, I have a vector, which is, sir, ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Sir, we have b vector also. Sir, b vector is also, sir, bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. And someone asked me to find a cross b. Then what to do, sir? Then what to do? Yeah, Priyanka is saying one method is there, sir. Box method. You have to use the box method. You have to use the way lunch box you used to open in your school days now. Same method will be used here. In order to find a cross b, you have to use the box method. Shall I tell you the box method? Box method, dabba method, whatever you want, you can say. No problem. Yeah. So this is the method which you have to use when two vectors will be given. Anyone ask you to find the cross product, you have to use box method, you have to use dabba method. See this box method, and this is the method that will be used everywhere. Actually, no one uses that. Everyone uses this only in order to find the cross product. Just see here, yeah. First thing you tell me, for box, what is the most important thing when you used to go in school during school days? What was the most important thing for your lunch box? First thing, preparation of box. This is easy. This is the method only. Medico, this is the only method. It's not tough. It's easy only. You have to be careful. Just here, yeah. Okay. So Someone asked me, sir, A vector, B vector is there. Someone asked me to do the cross product. So see, first we will do the cross product. Method for this cross product is box method. And for box, most important thing, you must prepare the box. First, you will be able to open the box, lunch box during lunchtime only when if your mom has prepared the box. So most important thing is preparation of box. See how to prepare the box. How to prepare the box. Yeah. So for preparation of box, what you will do? First, you will make a box. This is the box, sir. Assume this is your lunch box. Assume yourself to be your mom and you are preparing the lunch box. Now, what you will do? What you will do? Once box is there, here what you have I, J, and K. So you write I cap, J cap, K cap. Very easy. First, draw the box, then put. Sir, we know vector will be in physics. Vector will deal with I, J, and K. So first I, J, and then K. Now, which vector is coming first? Order is important because you know A cross B is minus B cross A. So order is very important. First A vector is coming. So what is with I? In A, what is with I? AX. So you write the coefficient. AX, AY, AZ. Similarly, here you write the coefficient. For B, B is coming second. So second will be coefficient of B. First will be coefficient of A. Here BX, BY, BZ. Box preparation done. Box preparation done. Preparation of box has been done. You can also prepare the box. Come on. So tell me, what is more important in lunch box? Preparing the box or opening and eating the box? Which is more important? Preparation of box. In preparation of box, if you do reverse now, if you do reverse now, answer will be wrong. So preparation is, be careful while preparing the box. After preparation, what will happen? We have to open the box. Once you open the box now, happiness will come. Happiness will come. Whenever you open the lunch box in your school, you used to smile. Ah, mom has given. Yeah. So you have to open the box with smile. Once you open the box, happiness will come. Happiness in physics means answer will come. Happiness in physics means answer will come. And now see, I cannot tell you 2-3 times. I can tell you only once. That much of time we have. Just here how to open the box. Shall I tell you how to open the box? Most of the people know, some people don't know. Yeah, so just see here how to open the box. We are going to open the box with a smile. Hey, hey, hey. I'm smiling, opening the box. Yeah. First, I cap is there. I cap. So you write I cap. Then you have to use one method of cross multiplication. If you remember in class 7-8 you studied. Yeah. First I is there, so I cap. Now you will not take coefficient of I cap. You will take coefficient of J and K. So J and K from top to bottom plus. Then you will do minus from bottom to top. So this you will write as, you can understand from here the way I am writing. That you will understand. Yeah. Sir, I we are talking about, so I we will not take. I we will not take, sir. We will take J and K. So when you are taking J, you will take like this. AY, BZ. From top to bottom, and from bottom to top minus. Minus BY, AZ. Did you understood? Samjhe kya? How to take? When you are taking I, you will not take I. You have to take J and K. And this is how you will take from top to bottom positive. You have to multiply. Top to bottom you have to multiply, and that multiplication will be positive. Then from bottom to top, it will be negative. Then I cap done. Then I cap done. Next will be, who will be next? Who will be next? Who will be next? J cap. J cap. And J cap will come with negative. I cap came with positive, but J cap will come automatically with negative. Minus J cap. Now tell me for J cap how to write. For J cap, tell me how to write. J cap will not come. When you're doing J cap will not come. Come on, tell me. For J cap, tell me. For J cap will not come. This will not come. Why will not come? Are bolo, what will come there? These two will come. Sir, this will not come. So who is left? AX and BZ. So AX, BZ will be positive, and from bottom to top will be negative. So this will become, sir, AX, BZ minus BX, minus bx az minus bx az plus k cap. So I will be positive, j will be negative, k will be positive. Actually, sign will be alternate, plus, minus, plus. Now tell me for k cap. Tell me for k cap. For k cap, bolo. For k cap very easy, Baba, very easy. Only technique is there. Only technique is there. Sir, for k cap nahi lenge isko nahi lenge. So what is left? Ax by top to bottom positive, bottom to top negative. So ax by minus bx ay. This is the cross product. This is the cross product of a and b. First you can write, then we will do one question. I will give you one question, find its cross product. And it's easy. Actually, when question will come in your NEET, most of the time, some of them will be zero. Some of them will be zero, so it will become very easy. Yeah. Okay, Sabita. So once you think you have written, you can say, done, sir. I will give you one question. Yeah, okay, very good, very good, very good. Yeah, okay, Kiran, you can do, but that method becomes very lengthy. Every time you can do I cap cross j cap k cap, but that will be very lengthy. You will not be able to tolerate that much. So this is easy. Once you'll get practice, you'll be getting answer fast. Yeah. Okay, I will give you one question. Assume R vector is given. I'm just giving you directly from our question which will come in your NEET. R vector is given. Assume R vector is given as 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Force vector is given as 3i cap plus 2j cap. You tell me torque. Torque you already know, R cross F. Find this torque. Prepare and don't forget smile while preparing the box. I was not smiling because I have to tell you, but you understood, so you can smile. Trishal answer is different. Shamita answer is different. That is the magic of cross product. You have to be careful. While smiling, don't lose the focus. Sir, you said to smile while smiling, sir, you're thinking, no, don't lose the focus. Smile means happiness should be there. Jyotika also gave same answer. Priyanka also gave. Trishal, check your answer. Trishal answer seems to be wrong. Suhas, you have missing plus and minus. So easy. I'll simply say, sir, you want cross product now. Okay, I know, sir, on one method is there, sir. Sir, we have to prepare the box. So, banao na box, sir, box. Then I, J, K. And always make a big box. If you make a small box, you will be confused by yourself. You only prepare the box. If lunch box is very small, where is curry, where is chapati, no one will understand. So box should be good. You have to prepare a big box and in a neat and clean manner. So I, J and K. Okay, no problem. What is here, sir? 2, 3, 4. And what is here, sir? 3, 2. K is not there, means K is 0. Now we will open the box. Yeah, okay, very good. Khaja, Varshini, Lights, Kiran, everyone is getting the answer, no problem. But my duty, I'm just doing again. Okay. See here, if anyone is getting any doubt. See here. First, I will take I cap. I'm going to open the box and I'm smiling. Hey. Opening the box. You see, from top to bottom, 3 into 0, 0. 2 into 4, 8. So minus 8. Then minus j cap. 2 into 0, 0. 3, 3 into 4, 12. So minus 12. Plus k cap. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9. So minus 9. Do like this. Do like this. You'll never get any mistake, any doubt. Nothing will happen. So this will give you minus 8 I cap. And this will become plus 12 j cap minus 5 k cap. This is the value of cross. This is what everyone getting. Yeah, Gautam, this is what you got. Yeah, okay, very good, very good. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. बोलो, 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 बोलो. Will you do one more? Will you do one more? Yeah, do one more question. Last question, then we will move towards use. Okay, this is easy. Just practice is required. Plus, just practice is required. Yeah. The person who ball for you, bowling a Yorker ball is very tough. But for Bumrah, it is not tough. What is the difference? You are also a human being. You also have 4 legs. Bumrah also has 4 legs. You also have 4 hands. Bumrah also has 4 hands. But for you, bowling a Yorker is tough. For Bumrah, it is easy. Why? Practice, practice. For new people, may be tough. But once you practice it, it will become very easy. Very easy. Do one question. Practice one more question. Come on. Again, I'm giving now, I will give you A vector. A vector is given. See careful where I, K, J are all are there. This is how actually it is used. When question comes, this is how they actually ask. And now you'll realize it will be even more easy. Because many things will become zero. Shamita has given answer. Very good, Shamita. You have to find A cross B. Yeah, someone asked me good question. Sir, whether A cross B or B cross A. If A cross B is asked, first you have to put the A. Then you have to put the B. If B cross is asked, then first you have to put B, then A. Nokia has given answer. Suhas has given. Suhas correct, Lights correct, Nayak correct, Samita correct. So easy. I'll simply say, sir, what's so big deal? Itna kya sochna, sir? Sir, box banao na, sir, box banao. And while preparing box, make a good box. Box must be neat and clean. I have seen students struggling. They themselves prepare very chadda box and they themselves will be confused. Sir, I, J, K. Akada 3. J is 0. So 0. K is 4. So 4. I 2. J is 3. K is 0 here. Now we are going to open the box. Now we are going to open the box. Yeah. If you want, you can smile. Otherwise, okay, no problem. I cap. Now I cap. 0 into 0, 0. 3 into 4, 12. So 0 minus 12. Minus j cap. Minus j cap. Yeah. 3 into 0, 0. 2 into 4, 8. So minus 8. Plus k cap. Plus k cap. Plus k cap. Yeah. 3 into 3, 9. 2 into 0, 0. So minus 0. So this will give us finally minus 12 I cap plus 8 j cap plus 9 k cap. This is the answer coming. This is the answer coming. This is the answer coming. So this is what we have to do in cross product. This is how we can do cross product of two vector. Is it okay? Everyone understood the method? Everyone understood the method? Yeah, I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. See this once again. We will move further. We'll move towards use of cross product. What are the uses of cross product? Once more, I cannot tell. We will talk about Gautam uses. And questions will come from uses of cross product. What are the places where cross products are used? Questions will come from there. Once you complete, you can say done, sir. Yeah, okay, very good, very good, very good, very good. Yeah, okay, now we'll move further. Now we'll move further. You can write uses of cross product. You can write uses of cross product. Uses of cross product. And we'll start straightforward with first use. Be careful, be careful. First use is very important. First use is so important that will be used at many places. In many parts of the physics, first use is going to be used. Acha, if you remember, I was talking about if two vectors are parallel, if two vectors are perpendicular, I was telling you one condition now. There's a way to check perpendicularity of two vectors. What was that method? You tell me. If two vectors are given, someone said both vectors are parallel. What was the method you used? Both vectors are perpendicular. What you said? If two vectors are perpendicular, then dot product will be 0. Yeah, dot product 0. Always remember, perpendicularity of two vectors is checked with the help of dot product. But if someone asks you check whether these two given vectors are parallel or not, parallel means theta will be 0. Parallelism of two vectors is checked with the help of cross product. Parallelism of two vectors. So first use you can write. First you can write. It is used to check parallelism of two vectors. It is used to check parallelism of two vectors. It is used to check parallelism of two vectors. Can you think why I am saying like that? Why I am saying like that? You tell me if two vectors are parallel, what will be theta between them? What will be angle between them? 0, 0. And what is sign when you do cross product? A cross B will give you AB sine theta magnitude. Now, what will be sine 0? Sine 0 will be 0. So that's why always remember, if someone says you now two vectors, if A vector and B vector are parallel, always remember theta between them is 0, and we already know sine 0 will be 0. So their cross product of two parallel vectors will come a null vector. This is how we check parallelism of two vector. If you do two vector, if you do cross product of two vector, and if that cross product comes 0, if that cross product comes a null vector, that means those two vectors are parallel. Are you getting the idea? Bolo, 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 bolo. Twarga. Yeah, so first use to check parallelism of two vector. You tell me if two vectors are perpendicular, then which quantity, which product will be 0? If two vectors are perpendicular, then which product will be 0? Come on fast. Which vector product? Dot product. Because they have theta 90, cos 90 is 0. That's why it is 0. You tell me if two vectors are parallel, then who will be 0? If two vectors are parallel, then who will be 0? Cross product will be 0. Cross product will. Why cross product will be 0 for two parallel vectors? Why cross product will be 0 for two parallel vectors? Because theta 0, parallel means theta 0, sir. Theta 0, sine 0 is 0. That's why cross product will be 0. Okay, no problem. Yeah, okay. But point is, we understood this, sir. But point is, sir, how to check? Means, okay, we understood, sir. Question that will come there now. There they will give you two vectors, and they will say you, if these two vectors are parallel, find value of A and B. So always remember, from here, from cross product only it comes, but we don't have that much of time. I will tell you directly, just see here. For example, someone gave you A vector. This is the actual condition that you have to use. You don't need to do cross product in the exam. It's lengthy little bit. So I'm telling you direct method how to get the how to use the condition of parallelism of two vector. Dot product was easy. We did dot product. We got in one line. Here you have to prepare the box, open the box. So that's why there is a direct condition. This direct condition comes from cross product only. So always remember, if A vector is given, AXI cap, AYJ cap, AZK cap, and B vector is given, BXI cap plus BYJ cap plus BZK cap. And if anyone says you na A vector and B vector are parallel, so condition for parallelism comes, condition comes, same thing from here only it comes. Condition comes from here, condition is same from here it comes. I will tell you direct final result. If two vectors are parallel, I know cross product will come 0, but no need to do that cross product directly. You can write the condition. Condition is ratio of coefficients will be same. AX by BX will be same as AY by BY will be same as AZ by bz. This is the actual which you have to use in your exam. For ratio of coefficient has to be same. This is the condition which is used for parallelism of two vector. That comes from dot product only. This is coming from dot product only, no problem. This is coming from cross product, sorry. It is coming from cross product only. But this is the condition which you'll use. Yeah. Kiran, very good. Yeah. Ratio of coefficient must be same. Ax by bx equal to ay by by will be equal to az by bz. Chamka kya everyone understood? Concept I told you, if two vectors are parallel, their cross product will be 0. But that concept lengthy, it will take time. You will not be, finally you'll get this only. Finally you'll get this only. So better we will do this, sir. Ax by bx equal to ay by by equal to az by. I will give you one question, you write. If the given two vectors are parallel, you write, if the given two vectors are parallel, find A and B. Find A and B. If the given two vectors are parallel, find A and B. If the given two vectors are parallel, find A and B. Sabita said, yeah. I will simply say, sir, if they are parallel, Trishal very good, Gayatri very good, Priyanka very good, everyone is getting answer. Gautam, check carefully. What happened? Other people not getting. Jyotika very good. Oppo very, it's very. Now you see here, if you have to do the cross product, you know the concept, sir. I will do A cross B. I will equate to null vector. That will be lengthy now. That's why we do like this. That's why this comes from there only. I'll simply say, these two vectors are parallel. Ratio of coefficients will be same. Yeah, B will come 2. A will come 1. Yeah. Ratio of coefficient. Ax by bx. So A by 2. Ay by by. 4, 2 by 4. Az by bz, 3 by 6. Now further you can simplify it. A by 2 will be equal to B by 4 will be equal to 1 by 2. If you take these two together, A will come okati. If you take these two together, B will come rendu. Is it okay? Is it okay? Easy na? Easy na? Easy na? Yeah, so you tell me finally the condition which you'll use in the NEET. I'm talking about that. What is the condition for parallelism of two vectors? What is the condition for parallelism of two vectors? What is the condition for parallelism of two vectors? Ratio of coefficients will be same, sir. Ax by bx equal to ay by by equal to az by bz. Ax by ay equal to bx by b. Ax by bx equal to ay by by equal to az by bz. Done. First use aipoindi. Done. Bolo jaldi. Ratio of coefficients will be same. Now we will move towards second use. We'll move towards second use. Just see here, second use. Not very important, but okay. We'll try to get the second use. Just see here, yeah. Acha, always remember, you know na, vectors means arrow. Vector means arrow. Arrow means line. Line means side of a figure. Understand what I'm trying to tell. I can tell you directly, but understand the process. You know, vector means arrow. Arrow means line. Line can be side of a figure. So always remember, you can find cross, with the help of cross product now. You can also find area of some of the figure. Area, for example, what I'm talking about. For example, if you have a triangle now, whose two sides are represented with the help of two vectors now, area of that triangle also you can find using cross product. So always remember, second use you can write. It is used to find area. If sides are It is used to find area if sides are represented by, it is used to find area if sides are represented by vector. It is used to find area if sides are represented by vector. And see how this area is calculated. And see how this area is calculated. Just see. Okay, no problem. Yeah, easy. Nothing to worry. Easy. Yeah. Sir, if two sides are here, for example, just see, first we'll talk about triangle. First we'll talk about triangle. Two areas we need to know, triangle and parallelogram. So just see here, for example, someone says, first one I'm talking about, A part I'm talking about, area of triangle. I'm talking about area of triangle. So always remember, if someone gave me two sides of a triangle, someone says, sir, one side of triangle is represented by A vector, other side of the triangle is represented by B vector. If you join these two sides, you'll get a triangle. You'll get a triangle. Angle here is theta. Angle between A vector and B vector is theta. Is it okay? Is triangle is appearing to everyone? Is triangle is appearing to everyone? Is it okay up to now? Two sides are given by two vectors, A vector and B vector. You can see there A vector, B vector, two sides are given. If you join from there, you'll get the third side also. You'll get the entire triangle. You have got the entire triangle. Now someone asked me, what is area of triangle? Come on, tell me, what is the formula for area of triangle? What is the formula for area of triangle? Yeah, half into base into height. Sir, half into base into height. Now you'll be thinking, sir, how cross product will be involved? Cross product is involved. You'll get to know. Half into B into H, half into base into height. Now just see, you'll be now simply thinking, sir, how cross product will be involved? Just see here. You tell me, if I draw one perpendicular from here, this is meaning of height now. This is your H now. This is H now. Now if you use from here trigonometry in this triangle you can write, H will be, can you tell me what will be this H? What will be this height? What will be this height? If this is theta, this is hypotenuse, H will be coming as B sine theta. Is it okay? You can write also. If you feel any problem, you can write sine theta. You know, sine theta will come opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite? H. What is hypotenuse? B. So H will be coming as B sine theta. I'm going to put there, sir, half into base. You only said this is the formula. What is base here? Base is A. Base is the length of A vector. That is base is A. And what is your height? Height is B sine theta. So from here you can see it is coming as half of AB sine theta. And what is AB sine theta? What is AB sine theta? AB sine theta is magnitude of A cross B. So this is the area of triangle. This is the area of triangle. Everyone understood how to find area of triangle using cross product? Half of magnitude of A cross B. Half of magnitude of A cross B. Bolo, bolo, bolo. Half of magnitude of A cross B will be area of the triangle there. But how you'll find? Just here, even after knowing this, now people are not able to do. Don't think you'll be able to do from here. Just see what I'm trying to tell. Just here. For example, how question will come? Just see here. They will give you A vector and B vector. See the process. They will give you A vector and B vector. What you'll do, first you'll find cross product using box method. Then you'll find its magnitude. Then you'll divide magnitude by 2 to get the answer. Are you getting the idea? Arey bolo bolo, samajh mein aa raha baat? This is what will happen. What will happen in the exam? They will give you A vector and B vector. So first find their cross product. For example, you have done here now. For example, you have done here now. For example, you have done here now. Here, for example, they will say you. Same question they will say you. They will say you. Two sides of a triangle are represented by A vector and B vector. Find the area of the triangle formed. So first by cross product, you will find the A cross B. First, you'll find A cross B using cross product, using box method. Find A cross B. then find its magnitude. What will be its magnitude? Under root of 12 square plus 8 square plus 9 square. Then this magnitude divided by 2. Bolo, 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 bolo. Are you getting idea? So first A vector will be given, B vector will be given. First what you will do, first you will do A cross B to get the vector A cross B. Then you'll find its magnitude. Then you'll divide the magnitude by 2 in order to reach answer. So this is how we calculate area of the triangle, which is not very important for NEET. So don't worry. Yeah. One question, we don't have that much of time. In the assignment, in the material which is there, you can see there. You can see easily, you can do, no problem. Yeah. Now next situation, sometimes we talk about area of parallelogram also. If two sides of parallelogram, A vector, B vector, material is uploaded in the app. There you can see material is uploaded in the app. Their question will be there. Okay, not very important. That's why you're not giving more time to this. Just it is required. So that's why I'm telling you. If one parallelogram is there. Now, if anyone asks you, angle between them is theta. If anyone asks you area of parallelogram, can you guess what will be area of parallelogram? If sides are given. What was the formula for area of parallelogram? Not much required. What was area of parallelogram? Base into height. There half into base into height. Now that's why it came half. That's why it came half. But here they are talking about area of parallelogram, only base into height. So area of parallelogram will come simply cross product of A cross B. Magnitude of A cross B. Getting? Bolo, 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 bolo. Are you getting area of parallelogram? Sides are given. Half will not come here. Sides are given. So simply AB sine theta. Again, if you want, you can do. Height will come. This is A, this is theta. So this will come, sir, A sine theta. So half into area of parallelogram is base into height. So base into height. So B into A into sine theta. BA sine theta, which is magnitude of A cross B. Bolo, bolo, done, 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 done. Everyone got? Yeah, okay, no problem. And sometimes these are not important. Yeah, okay, Kinematics is there, small part is there, just basic definition. Okay, just we have to start. That's why we put in the syllabus. Yeah. Sometimes what happens in some of the material, somewhere you'll find, yeah, this class will end in 10 minutes. Okay, yeah. Now, one more thing is there. Sometimes what happen, here I have given you sides of the parallelogram. Sometimes they can give you diagonal also. Not required. Okay, but you'll do different books. So there you should feel confidence. So that's why just I'm giving you. If diagonals are given, if diagonals of the parallelogram given as D1 vector and D2 vector. So area, if diagonals are given, then area of parallelogram will come. Is also a formula, half of magnitude of D1 vector cross D2 vector. Yeah, Jim is there in the app. Material is uploaded in the app. You can write this just for, okay, somewhere if you find, you can use this. Is it okay? I'll give you time of 5 seconds. See all this thing. I will ask question, then we'll move further. Then just for namesake, we'll start with kinematics. College started, Baba. You can come. Sir, when does college start for us? It is started long back. It started for you only, not for me. You can come. See all these things. I will ask question, then we'll move further. फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे. Come on. Once you complete this area part, you can say done, sir. We will move. Yeah, okay, Suhas. Okay. Yeah, done. Okay, no problem. Those who you calculation you have will learn with practice only, and it's not one day job. I'm able to do calculation because I'm studying from class 1. That's why I'm able to do. So those who are finding weak in calculation, you have to practice more and more. The more you will practice, the more you will learn. Okay, no problem. So come on, tell me. You tell me if A vector and B vector are given as two sides of a triangle, what will be the area of the triangle? What will be the area of triangle? Okay, Gautam, good. What is the area of triangle? If two vectors A and B are given as two sides, half of magnitude of A cross B. Sir, first A cross B I will find with the help of box method. First A cross B will find with the help of box method. Then we'll find magnitude of that A cross B. Then half we will do, we'll get the answer. You tell me if the two sides of a parallelogram is given, what is the area of parallelogram? Magnitude of A cross B. Whatever A cross B you will get, find its magnitude, that will be answer. Magnitude of A cross B. Achha, if two diagonals of parallelogram are given, then? If two diagonals of parallelogram given, then? Half D1 cross D2. Half of magnitude of D1 cross D2. Half of magnitude of D1 cross D2. That is enough. Not questions don't ask from here. Yeah, but you must know how to do the cross product. That is important. So before ending cross product, I will give you one question. This is the question you should know. Such questions are asked in the NEET. I will give you one question. You try to find out. You write, find the angle between A vector and B vector. This is very important. Find the angle between A vector and B vector. $60. This is very, very important. Last year in JEE also question came. Last year also came. This year also came. Because so many papers are there, so this question is continuously asked. I will simply say A cross B magnitude means AB sine theta. This will be root 3 times of A dot B. A dot B is your AB cos theta. So from here AB will get cancelled and you'll get tan theta. You can bring this cos theta here. So sine theta by cos of tan theta. Tan theta root 3, this theta will come 60 degree. Everyone got? Chamka kya? This is important. This is important. That's why I'm giving you question from here. And always remember, after this, they can ask you if A vector and B vector are there, now find the resultant. So resultant will come under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos 60. 2AB cos theta. Cos 60 will be 1 by 2. So they can ask you resultant also. They can give you this and they will ask you what is resultant of A and B. Or they can ask you angle. In NEET, they have asked angle. When question came in JEE Mains, they asked the resultant. So once you get the angle, once you know the angle, you know the cos theta, you can find resultant also. So this will give you A square plus B square plus AB to the power 1 by 2. Is it okay? Are you getting? Bolo, jaldi. Time le do. Both are important. Angle asked in the NEET. In JEE Mains, they ask this resultant. Do one more question. Come on. Tell me angle. 45 degrees. These are the questions which are asked. These are from the definition. These are the basic questions. Sir, A cross B will give us, sir, AB sine theta. Magnitude of A cross B will give us AB sine theta. A dot B will give us, sir, AB cos theta. Now from here AB cancel. So we can get tan theta. Tan theta will be equal to 1. Theta will be equal to, sir, 45 degree. If anyone asks me resultant also, I can find, sir, the root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos 45. 1 by root 2. And I can simplify and I can get. You can collect, no problem. iPhone you can collect. It came in I think 2 weeks before only. You can come and collect. Is it okay? Is it okay? Shall we finish out cross product and move further? Yeah, okay, very good. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah, okay, So always remember, I will again just wind up. So many things we studied in cross product. Again, I will just wind up what are the things so that you will not be confused in your brain. Things will be settled down. So just here again, I will tell from the beginning. Always remember, when you do A cross B, you get vector C. C vector will be having magnitude AB sine theta. So magnitude of A cross B is AB sine theta. And direction of C vector will be perpendicular on both A vector and B vector also. That's why if you do C dot A or you do C dot B or you do C dot A plus B, all these values are going to be 0. I cross J is K, J cross K is I, K cross I is J. If you forget, you can have a clock I, J, K. You'll get I cross I, J cross J, K cross K. All will give us null vector because theta is 0. Sir, if whenever it is asked to find cross product of two proper vectors, we have to make a box. In box method, we will use, sir, I will be positive, J will come with negative, K will come with positive when we'll open the box, sir. Sir, first use of cross product is checking parallelism of two vectors, because if two vectors are perpendicular, angle between them is 0, sine 0 is 0. So the cross product of two parallel vectors, two parallel vectors is going to be equal to, sir, 0. But that we will not use in the NEET. If question will come to check parallelism, we will simply use ratio of coefficient. AX by A equal to BX by AX by BX equal to AY by BY equal to AZ by BZ. Sir, if anyone asks me area, which no one will ask, don't worry. Sir, area of triangle will come half of magnitude of A cross B. Area of parallelogram will come magnitude of A cross B. If diagonals are given, half of magnitude of D1 cross D2. Is it okay up to this? Now you can write kinematics. Just basic things are there. No question will come. Only definition. I think cumulative highest is 715. Like that. Kinematics. If you feel okay, you can say done, sir. We will start kinematics. New chapter we are starting now. That's why I'm giving you some pause in between. Acha, okay. First thing, you tell me basic things only. Just we are starting so that from next week we can start properly. You do the dot product, A will be equal to B. You can check Kiran, do the dot product, you'll find A equal to B. That is the condition. Now, so everyone knows difference between distance and displacement. Everyone knows distance between distance and displacement. Who is more? Distance is more or displacement is more? Who is more, distance or displacement? Yeah, distance is the actual length of path. Displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final. Yeah. Acha, is it possible for a body to have same distance and displacement? Is it possible for a body to have same? That is possible if body move in a straight line. That possibility is also there, Baba. This class 9th I am talking. That is the basic things. Yeah. So always remember, distance will be always greater than or equal to magnitude of displacement. You know, distance is scalar, so we cannot relate directly with displacement. That's why we have to check only value. Direction, displacement as direction also. So distance will be always greater than equal to magnitude of displacement. Acha, can you tell me when they will be equal? When they will be equal? When they will be equal? When distance and magnitude of displacement will be same? In a straight line. Yeah, equality holds. These are the things which are asked. Equality holds. NCERT has given equality holds when motion is in straight line. When motion is in straight line. Straight line. In one direction. In one direction. It's not like that in a straight line means you go and come back in a straight line. No. Motion in a straight line in one direction. It's not like that you went like this and came like this. Straight line only I am moving. And here distance displacement will not be equal. Motion in a straight line in one particular direction. Is it okay? Bolo. Important result. You may be thinking, This is how last year people were thinking Galileo's ratio very easy. Why it will come? Why it will come? It came. It was given in NCERT. This is also a statement of NCERT. Is it okay? Bolo, 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 bolo. Next point. Acha, you tell me who will be more? Average speed or average velocity? Who will be more? Average speed or average velocity? Average speed is related with total distance by total time now. Average velocity will be related with total displacement. Again, same type of thing will come. Average speed will be greater than equal to magnitude of average velocity. And again, equality will hold. Again, equality will hold for straight line. Again, equality will hold for straight line. Again, equality will hold for straight line. Is it okay? Yeah. Third point. These are basic class 9th only we are using, but all are given in NCERT of class 11th also. In Galileo's ratio is given in 9th NCERT also, 11th NCERT also. They asked from 11th NCERT. Acha, everyone knows average velocity will be total displacement by total time. Average speed, total distance by total time. Instantaneous velocity will be coming with the help of, we'll detail. Instantaneous velocity will come with the help of differentiation ds by dt. Bolo, 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 bolo. एक बार बोल दो yes or no. No one is saying anything, sir. अरे basic baba, this much you know na. Yeah, okay. For juniors, if I have to teach, for this I take 2 lectures to make them explain what is distance, what is displacement, why this. Fifth class, yeah. Fifth class is very okay. No problem. Yeah. Okay, very good, yeah. So up to this we have in our syllabus for our weekend. From here no question will come. From this part no question will come, don't worry. Question will come from vector because we have only definition. Just to start, it is there in the syllabus. Is it okay? Done. Bolo. Ho gaya? So this is how we have talked about more situations from here. Yeah. I will add you in the group. No problem. Yeah. This is how we have talked about. More situation will be talking next class. For today, we'll be ending here. Tada, bye. Take care. Study well. Bye.